What's up, guys? It's Jay and Luke with PC Motorsports. Today we're doing a little shop searching. That's a tongue twister. So we're gonna show you guys, kind of get ideas for our shop, figure out like what styles we like, what floor plans we like, but we'll keep you guys updated, show you around, and show you what we're looking at. Look who decided to show up 20 minutes late. We'll be there in 5 minutes. 20 minutes later.
Should have seen Northern, bro. Semis out the ass.
Yeah, semis, bro, everywhere. 10 of them.
10 of them. Okay, so this is one of the styles.
Tell them run it up. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm #1 up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice.
This is the second one. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see it today or not, but it's got a little different floor plan, kind of cool. Has a little more showroom space. I don't know if you could, if I could put it up to the window and you can see.
Showroom. There's no fucking. That's why.
And then it goes upstairs. So, like I said, we'll keep you updated, show you guys what we're doing. Want to bring you along. What's up, fool? Showing some hooligan stuff. Yeah, scrape it for the one time.
Go down there, but it won't spark.
Why not?
It's asphalt.
Oh.
I tried.
I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself, they getting buried. Dance with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain. I made a promise to her, swore that I would change. I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch.
Well, we're back at the shop, and Corey decided he's gonna put the
Test fit an LS.
Yeah, put the engine from the C10 in the Mazda and mock it up. So this is what he's working with, trying to fit that and that. Doesn't look like it's going too well, huh? I lost track of what day on the build this is, but like I said, Corey's over there mocking up the engine to the Mazda. But this week we got the notches, and we picked up paint samples so we could do spray outs. I'm about to take off the air unit on the front of the C10 on the firewall. go ahead and take this off, start getting everything cleaned up a little better. Take out the column here pretty soon. Still got to order that. We're gonna do resto mod air, so get all that stuff ordered up. It's kind of just a waiting game, waiting for parts to get here, waiting to get dealer account set up and get stuff ordered. But we'll keep you up to date. We looked at shops this morning, so that's how the video started. We went out first thing this morning, checked out a couple of shops, dreamed a little bit, looked at different styles, different floor plans, but now we're back working on the C10, so keep you updated. I got the other camera recording to Corey and Preston working on the Mazda, so get some shots from there, and then I'm gonna show you some shots taking this airbox off.
Driving on the road like I'm the only one. Shooting to the green, I talk a hole in one. Bible on the dash, they with the Holy One. I know I put in work, they didn't notice none. Switch gears, clubhouse, took me 6 years. Marble floors, gold trim, feel like I'm Richie Rich. Italian leather, French suede, I mix the fist sick. Quick loss, take a risk, we play for the win. Might spend $1 million at the rug store like Manafort. But making purchases you can't afford. I move the money like it's illegal. Something more of rigor mortis. Where I move dead, people lay low. Took L's, know how those days go. Say so, he say, but nothing they know. Pesos, deals locked, it's like a case closed. Bankroll, different league, we don't use money phones. Trusting the artist, his hands steady for it. Pray up to the Lord, he knows I'm ready for it. All on the earners, you know I'm heading towards. Eyes on the Rolex, it's like a Chevy Ford. Driving on the road like I'm the only one. Shooting to the green, I talk a hole in one. Bible on the dash, they with the Holy One. I know I put in work, they didn't notice none. Switch gears, clubhouse, took me 6 years. Marble floors, gold trim, feel like I'm Richie Rich. Italian leather, French suede, I mix the fist sick. Quick laws, take a risk, we play for the win. Chips all on the board, know I'm invested. Italian blazer, come double-breasted. Loafers in Florence, we paid for it. Through every battle I was tested, now I'm vetted. Talking top floors, Lux sweet, see dreams are not yours. Got mine, going global, it's like a world tour. Kids straight, savings growing, this what we work for. Wifey great, love flowing, we don't need Cupid stupid. Nova bring the bass and watch them screw face. Spit to the pressure, give me toothaches. You play checkers, I chess them to see who moves fake. I want that Bruce Wayne money, no time for Two-Face. Old friends doubted me, I cut the loose ends. Real friends around me, the whole cruise in. Came from pain driven and high temper to calculated passing on my mentors. Driving on the road like I'm the only one. Shooting to the green, I talk a hole in one. Bible on the dash, they with the Holy One. I know I put in work, they didn't notice none. Switch gears, clubhouse, took me 6 years. Marble floors, gold trim, feel like I'm Richie Rich. Italian leather, French suede, I mix the fist sick. Quick loss, take a risk, we play for the win.
Got the air box out, so it's all clean under there now. Start pulling in. Oh, that was easy.
Cardboard.
Cardboard.
More cardboard.
So that's what we got.
Well, what can you do? So the motor's sitting on the metal, so you're gonna have to jack the motor up a little bit. Can you move the chain? Can you move the hook back towards the back of the motor?
Well, yeah, hold on. I'm about to drop it and see
Oh, you're fine. You might want to get it out of the fucking crack though before you put weight on it. Nope, you're hitting the front still. You're hitting the metal bars. See if you can shut them in some. You be gentle not to drop the truck on me. So don't force it.
It's hitting something up top.
You wanna know what? You're gonna have to hand me the sawzall. I'm gonna have to cut this fucking crossmember out.
Here.
What the fuck are you laughing about? I don't get it, bro.
I don't get it either.
Let's crack a lacking.
It's cracking.
Hey, no, just trying to see what you guys are doing. Nice shirt. Thanks. This is a pretty nice shirt.
Anybody comment?
Oh, a lot of people actually.
Really?
Yeah, like 8 or 9 people. Oh yeah, I like that shirt. Where'd you get it?
So in between 5 and 10 p.m.
Oh, what the fuck?
It said to be here by 5. Now it says 5 to 10.
That's fucking bullshit. No, we're gonna get this bitch on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that right
I was gonna do it.
Today.
We'll go back to our pulley system.
Why? It's moving.
No, it isn't. It is
Swear to
not
God.
fucking moving.
That bitch moved. Yeah, watch. I put that on my
Go
mama.
get the 2 long fucking bars.
Alright, I'm related to these people.
What 2 long bars? These ones?
The 2 pry bars, bro.
Oh.
Why the fuck would you bring a little?
Give me pry bars.
Why would you bring a little knife to a big ass gunfight? See, there's another one that was laying over here.
There's only one long.
Right, there's another one that was laying over here. It was laying right there where the grinder is. So look at all that bullshit right there and see if you find one.
There's one.
No, it's right there, Nolan.
That bitch is not moving. You're so full of shit. Your eyes are open. Let's resort back to the pulley system. Give me that motherfucker.
Now that we've had a break, you know, regroup.
Get your socket.
Okay.
She's stuck. That wasn't your socket.
It was.
Huh? What the fuck?
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
About to close out for today. We went and looked at a couple shops, drove by a couple big ones. Checked that out. It was pretty cool. Got a few things pulled off the C10 cab. Corey's still over here messing with the Mazda. But like, comment, subscribe, share as much as possible. Follow PC_Motorsports and Hotshot Customs 1 on social medias, and follow the build. Share it with your family that likes cars. People are gonna like this, I think. Keep up with us. Later.